Okay, welcome to the daily outlook. Sorry for the lateness of it. Had a little bit of an accident, broke my finger last night, so not fun. The markets haven't been fun either. Just go quickly. Go to Euro New Zealand. Getting out of this for break even. Closing this now. So we had a sell here, break below, retest. It went one deviation. Took some off, but came back against us. So getting out of this for break even because the price action this week has been undesirable and scaling out of trades. Next one is New Zealand CAB. We took a full loss in that one. 1% loss. The price action has been terrible, so we've just been grinding. Once I seen this quick move, I thought we could have shot on, but we've just retraced, and I think we'll just chop for a while. The higher time frame bias is still in check. We want to see a pop to the upside, so we'll just leave it to do its own thing. We could be taking out the low of the week and then turning, but like I say, it's been undesirable, so scaling out of trades. We took a full 1% loss on that. We're out at break even on Euro New Zealand. The other trade that I'm in is Euro Swissy. Looking to scale out of that. Be closing a little bit off, so don't take a full stop, because I do think we go lower, but the price action has been terrible. So scaling out a little bit on that one, but I'm going to hold the rest because I do think we go a little bit lower. But as I say, this week's been quite bad across the board regarding price action and reading price action. So we had Monday's range. We broke up into a higher time frame key resistance here, so was expecting a sell off, and we had a weekly inside bar, so a lot of things lining up, but the price action has been terrible. We should have moved quickly away from this level. We still have a bit of a gap to close here, but as I say, the price action has been undesirable, so scaling out a little bit in this one. We were also looking at New Zealand yen. We were looking at a break above here. We've just hit underneath of our higher time frame level, so if we break back above, then it'll become interested, but we're leaving that for now. We were looking at Euro Pound at the start of the week, and it's just become quite messy, so we stepped away from that one, and I'm sort of glad we did, because it's just been sideways chop that we don't want to get caught up in. So yeah, nothing else is on the board, but if anything pops up, I'll put it up, but I'll be staying away and preserving capital until NFP is over. Like I say, we'll just be keeping Euro Swissy on. So we've took a loss on New Zealand CAD, and we've took a loss on Euro Pound, break even on Euro New Zealand. So bit unlucky with this one. It just seems to be one of them weeks, but that's what you take what the markets give you. So we'll recap. I'll do a big weekly recap video going over this week, and then we'll attack next week fresh.